Hi, so in this video, I'm basically going to show you guys how to spoof your iPhone's location for free using only a laptop and a USB cable. Okay, so the first step is to download this app called Xcode from the App Store, and it's completely free, so just download it. Once it's fully downloaded, open the app and this screen will appear. Click on the second option that says Create a new Xcode project. Select the single view app. You can type in whatever you want for your product name. The same goes for your organization name. For the organization identifier, you need to start it with a com. So, for instance, if you wanted to put in yay, it would be com.yay. You don't need to change anything else, so just click on next. You don't need to select the source control option, so just click on create. Okay, so this screen will load right here, and you're gonna have to click this button, and then you choose whichever option suits your phone. Click on signing and capabilities, team, and add an account. All you have to do here is put in your Apple ID and password. As you can see, once you log into your Apple ID, the error will fix itself and you're good to go. Now go to File, New, and click on File. Search for the GPX file and click on Next. Now save the file under the name of your destination. In this tutorial, I will be using UCLA as an example. This screen will then appear. At this point, go to your web browser and search for the coordinates of your location. Once you find the coordinates, copy and paste the latitude and longitude values into the GPX file. Also, change the name here into the name of your location and save the file. Now connect your phone to your laptop using a USB cable and select your phone under Devices. Click on the play button and wait for the app to finish building. Once it's done, an app will appear on your phone. Before anything else, you have to go to your Settings, General, scroll down to Device Management, and choose the Apple ID you signed in with. Verify the app. Now go back to your laptop screen and click on the location button on the bottom of the app. Here, a bunch of different locations will come up. You can of course choose any one of these locations, but since we're trying to customize the location, click on the location that you chose. A black screen will appear on your phone. This means the spoof has been completed. If you go to the Maps app, it will say that you are in a certain location that you chose. For me, that's UCLA. This works on other apps, including Snapchat. Okay, thanks for watching. I really hope it helped you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And subscribe and like the video if you want,